Hey, what's up? It's Ben here. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up a stop loss and take profit order for options trading, specifically on the Webull desktop. And if you haven't already done so, jump over to the Webull desktop because it's way easier to view things and you have more tools you can use. And today I'm going to be also showing you two different methods of entering these kind of orders. So one is when you already have a position already and you want to set the stop loss and take profit. And the other way is when you're about to go into an order and you can set it up from there. So I'm going to start with the one that I already have in options already, so then you can understand the entire process. So first things first, I'm going to be using, for my sample or for my example, I'm going to be using NIO, ticker symbol NIO. So actually it's already set up for NIO. So right over here, switch over to options. So right now, currently I have one option that's for a call right over here. So for you, if you want to set up an option that you already have in place, simply just find the strike that you had it originally. So right now I have a 24 expiration with the strike of 12.50. So once you located your option, just click on this little position or this little icon right over here. Click on it and it'll say, let me just get this bigger right over here because it's gonna push back a little bit. Hold on, what's that? Right over here, click on that and then go over to close position. And once you hover over this, go down to close by stop loss / take profit. So click on that and this screen will pop up. So when you see this screen, you could just set the stop price by just by the price, or you could do it by the percentage. So right now it's at 20% and your estimated is like losing $19 if it hits this price. Or you could just do it by just the dollar amount. So you could just do 0.0 0.7 or point whatever, however you want it. So if I set up 0.7, it's $21 that I'm losing. And remind you, this is on an average of 0.91, so $91. So in this case, and by the way, if you were to do it as a percentage, make sure to put a negative sign, because sometimes if you just erase this and put like 10%, it just thinks that you just want a 10% stop. But make sure to put a negative symbol in front so it knows that, oh, you're gonna be doing a stop price at 10%. So that's that in that case. And then the limit price is where you're gonna take a profit. In this case, you could take a profit at a 20%. Usually, sometimes I do it at a percentage, and sometimes I look at the chart and set it as a dollar amount. So then I understand, oh, there's a floor, or there's a floor in this chart. So I'm gonna set my stop at a certain price. So in that case, that is just me. But if you don't want your emotions to get the best of you, set it at percentage. If you want a 20% gain, go do a 20% gain. If you want a loss at 10%, just set it at 10% loss and just go on with your day. So this is for individual who are busy, doesn't have time to check out on their stock 24/7. But in my case, I usually set it at a number amount, just because I read the chart a little bit more than most people do. So and then you just hit it out and go send. Actually, let me just do this real quick and then you can actually see this. I'm going to set at 20%, negative 20%, plus 20%. So that's my taking profit, and this is my stop loss. And timing force, good to cancel, quantity 1, and then I'll be selling that. And it just confirm. All right, and there you go. And it's going to be in the working order right now. So if I hover this over to charts, and by the way, you can cancel it if you go over to the charts. So I just refreshed the page, and by the way, you can see that there's these little symbols or these little markings. So you're selling it if the option goes above $1.08, then it'll start selling it and you'll take your profit from there. And if it drops below to 0.72, then you'll lose money from there and it'll stop. Your contract would just execute and just sell. So and that's the case, you could just also change the price like this, just move the arrow up and down, and then you just place an order for that. If you want to just go ahead and cancel, you could just hit cancel. Or if you just want to delete this and you don't want to place a stop loss or a take profit, order, you could just hit X and you could just cancel it out like this as well. And there you go. I just canceled it, and then I cancel this one as well. And then that's one way to do it. And the second way to do it is when you're about to buy a option. So let me just go to another ticker. Let's just use XPeng right over here. So XPeng right over here. So option, I'm going to click on option, go over there, and then I'm going to choose a day, 24 days with a, let's say, actually I'm going to just choose this one. So something like this. So when you're about to buy an option, you could see that there's a stop loss and take profit right over here. So in this case, I'm gonna just go ahead and do this, but I'm not gonna actually click submit and have this order go through, just because I don't want to get into a contract. So right now for limit, you can set limit, market, however you want to do it. Usually I just put limit. So limit price is 90.97. You can set whatever you want, but then time in force, you could put day, good to cancel, whatever you want. But here's the point. So stop loss, click on this again, and you'll see the same setup that I had, that it showed earlier when you had the option, right? So in this case, you have a choice before you even go into a contract. So right now, stop loss minus 20%. So your estimated profit or loss is $3 right over here. I don't know why it says $3. Is this a plus $3 or minus? Oops. That's not the case. 20%. Okay, here we go. $20 loss. And then profits, take profit. So just click on here, just go 20. What is going on? Oh, this is percent. What is it? 20%. Okay, there you go. $20 right over here. And by the way, these are just estimates. You're not, it's not for sure until you actually place the order and then you know your average price that you're getting into for the options. So right now, just place order, and you can verify this one more time, and then go ahead and place order, and your option will go through. And again, you'll have the chart where you could adjust the price when you're on there. You could adjust it from there, or you could just cancel it out. So hopefully this was a little bit more intuitive for you guys to understand where to find or place these stop loss and take profit orders. Anyways, if you have any questions, just feel free to drop a comment down below. And if you haven't already, download Webull and fund your account yet, feel free to do so, because they're still giving out free stocks, and my links are going to be down below if you want to check those out of other tutorials, or just when you want to get some free stocks from Webull. Anyways, I'll catch y'all next week.